we do at Lifecycle Services is not simply respond to emergencies or urgent requests. We really try and look at the entire lifetime of the machine. So that's scheduled maintenance, preventative maintenance, looking at each individual part in the machine and seeing the lifetime that might be occurring at that level. We don't simply have, dozens of technicians across the country. We have hundreds of certified technicians across North America. It's not just someone with the right background, but it's someone that's been tested, certified by us to work on our equipment. We have an inventory control software that is very good. I think it's the best in the industry. But beyond that, the customer already has a very good workflow with their warehouse or their manufacturing. We're able to connect to whatever systems they have. Something that grows, again, with the customer. SAP specifically, too, we have a sort of a unique solution that's a direct plug-in into SAP itself. We believe in what we call intent-based leadership. Customers come first. And the only way I believe for a company to truly understand that is to have that be true at every level. What's great about Kardex and how we can grow with our customers is that we have, on the back end, besides the technicians that we have in the field, we have another 100 people that are dedicated working only with service, only with existing customers to make sure that everything is in order, whether it's the contracts, renewals. We're always ready for what comes next. So you have to have a conversation ongoing and be ready to evolve with the customer and advise them, because it's not all the time that they know necessarily with whatever new scale they're reaching what they need or what would be recommended. So we just like to present those options so they're available and they can choose with as much information that we can give.